Now we focus on reaction constants. In the Hammett equation, there is a rho log of k upon k0 is equal to sigma rho, where rho is reaction constant. How this rho or reaction constant it is obtained from a particular reaction? Now consider four reactions: hydrolysis of benzoic acids, ionization of benzoic acids, hydrolysis of ethyl benzoates, ionization of phenols, benzoylations of anilines. There are these different reactions, and for this different reaction the rho is constant. How rho is calculated? Now in front of us there is one reaction. Which reaction is there? Alkaline hydrolysis of various meta and para substituted ethyl benzoates. First, differently substituted ethyl benzoates, meta and para substituted ethyl benzoates were taken. In a different flask, hydrolysis reactions with base, it has been carried out, and from this rate constant measured, and then log of kx upon kx for rate constant for substituted ethyl benzoates, and kh rate constant for ethyl benzoate itself. Therefore log of kx upon kh, it was calculated first, and then the graph was obtained. In a graph, on y-axis there is log of kx upon kh, and on x-axis there is a substituent constant sigma. In case of hydrolysis of ethyl benzoates, a straight line obtained. The points lie more or less on a straight line, indicating a good correlation between rate of reaction and value of sigma. The slope or gradient of the line, it is a rho, that is a reaction constant, and for base catalyzed ester hydrolysis it is about plus 2.6. This tells us that the reaction is sensitive with respect to substituent. The rho value for ionization of benzoic acid and base catalyzed ester hydrolysis are as. See these two reactions. I explain again how this rho value it was obtained. Differently substituted benzoic acids were taken. Its ionization reaction it was carried out. Rate constant calculated, then log of kx, that is for substituted benzoic acids, upon kh, rate constant for benzoic acid itself, it was calculated. Log of kx upon kh, it was calculated, and then the plot was drawn. On y-axis there is log of kx upon kh, and on x-axis there is substituent constant sigma. When the points were obtained, a straight line drawn on which there will be a maximum number of points, and slope calculated, and the slope means rho value or reaction constant. Second reaction is base catalyzed ester hydrolysis of ethyl benzoates. Differently substituted meta and para only were taken in different flasks. To this, base was added. Hydrolysis reaction it was carried out. Then rate constant find out at how much the differently substituted ethyl benzoates undergoes reaction. Then log of kx upon log of kh, it was found out, and on y-axis log of kx upon kh, and on x-axis there is sigma for this hydrolysis reaction. Then the plot drawn, and from the slope the reaction constant, that is rho value, it was obtained. How much it is? Plus 2.6. I hope that at least you have cleared that how reaction constant sigma value is obtained for particular reaction. The observation tells us that ester hydrolysis reaction responds to substituent effects in the same way, because it has positive sign as the ionization of benzoic acids. It is a +1, but by 10 raised to 1.6 times faster, because it is 2.6 instead of 1. The mechanism of this reaction, ester hydrolysis reaction, the OH minus, as it is nucleophilic, attacks on electron deficient ester carbonyl. So there is a formation of oxyanion intermediate in which carbon is sp3 hybridized. So it is slightly unstable, but the reaction density in the intermediate, oxyanion intermediate, as compared to the reactant increases, because there is a bond formation between carbonyl carbon and OH, and then OAT minus is expelled. Finally there is a formation of carboxylate ion, that means there is a dissociation. A negative charge on carbonyl oxygen will be stabilized by electron withdrawing X groups. A negative charge on carbonyl group will be stabilized by electron withdrawing X groups, provided that the first step is rate determining. A positive rho is fine. That is, this result is expected when the electron density increases from reactant to the intermediate. A positive P is fine. The reaction constant rho measures the sensitivity of reaction to electronic effects. A positive rho value means, listen carefully, these are the observation. A positive rho value or reaction constant means more electrons in the transition state than in the starting material. If rho value is positive, it means more electrons in the transition state than in the starting material, or electron density at the reaction center is more. Second observation, if a rho value it is negative, that means there are fewer or less electrons or less electron density at reaction center in the transition state than in the starting material. There is a one general representation for Hammett plot. Hammett different plots, log of kx upon kh, rate constant versus substituent constant. This green line, if we got green line in the graph, then the rho is positive. This, if we got this in a plot, this red line, if then a rho is negative, and if you get a straight line, rho is 0. This is very rare, but these two are obtained. Straight line, diagonal straight lines are obtained. This X is a substituent. Look at the benzene ring, substituted benzene ring. X is substituent and RC is reaction center. When we say that sign of rho is positive, sign of rho is positive, means this green line we have obtained and its slope is positive, means reaction constant is positive. Then what we say about electron density? Electron density at reaction center in transition state, it is more than the reactant. So the flow of electrons in rate determining step, it is towards the aromatic ring, as electron density at reaction center is high. Therefore, the flow of electron is toward the aromatic ring, and electron withdrawing groups favors the reaction. Now, in oppositely, if the sign of rho is negative, when the sign of rho is negative, when we get a plot which contains this red colored line, rho negative, that means what? Electron density at the reaction center in transition state. What about it? It is favor or less than the reactant. Then the flow of electrons in rate determining step, it is away from the aromatic ring, as electron density is reduced at a reaction center. So aromatic ring, the electrons from aromatic ring, this will stabilize the electron density at the reaction center. That is the flow of electron, it is away from the ring, and electron donating substituent favors the reaction. Students, you should focus on this table and this plot. This will help you to understand reaction constant and its significance properly. This is simply a table where some other reactions has given with their reaction constants. We know the two out of this. First one is ionization for substituted benzoic acids in water. One same reaction it is carried out in ethanol, it is 1.57. Like that, there are different reaction and its reaction constants it were calculated. I again explain here how sigma value for particular reaction it is calculated. Now consider the bottom reaction. Various anilines reacts with benzoyl chloride, and for this reaction rho is negative, reaction constant is negative. Now how it is calculated? Suppose that 10 variously substituted anilines has taken. Remember that 9 meta or para substituted anilines are there and one aniline itself. This 10 anilines, it is subjected to the reaction with benzoyl chloride in a different class, in a 10 plus. Then the rate of reaction it was calculated. Rate of reaction means its K value. That means there will be a 10 K values. Then every time we have to calculate log Kx upon Kh. Kh means it is for unsubstituted benzoic acid, that is for plain benzoic acid. Log Kx, once log Kx upon Kh calculated, then we have to take these values on y-axis, and substituent constant it is fixed for the all substituents. So when we plot this graph, we will get different points in a graph. Then try to draw straight line on which there will be a maximum points, or the points lie near these lines, and then everybody know to find out the slope of the line. Well, if we got the slope, that means what we have done? We have calculated reaction constant for this particular reaction. This table it was taken from Advanced Organic Chemistry, F.A. Carey and R.J. Sandberg book, and this topic it has taught by using a reference book Organic Chemistry, Jonathan Clayton, Nick Greaves and Stuart Warren. Student, you should remember how rho it is calculated. Rho is constant for a particular reaction. You have to think about transition states and electron density and substituents. Okay, now we stop here. Thank you.